So Arsenal 6, Sevilla 0. Wow, 6-0. I watched the game. It was fantastico. And big up to Arsenal, man. They looked really, really good today. Before we get into the fan cam, make sure you are liking this video. Let's get 2,000 likes on the video. Make sure you are subscribed. We're nearly on 72,000 subscribers. Big up to everybody who's been sharing the streams around, everyone who's been sharing the videos, the content, clipping it, posting it. Whether you like me or hate me, you still clip it up. You still have to watch. So big up to all of you lot, and big up to everybody who's been chucking in the donations via the thanks option. So if you want to do that, hit the thanks option, go to the little pencil in the top right, clear all of that away, write whatever you like. Bish, bash, bosh, I'll reply to all of them. But where do we start? Captain Odegaard, the new captain, yes. Gibraltar guard, I can see him. He's had a well-deserved break after that performance. Big up to him. He was superb today. Yeah, they all were, to be fair. Every single player. Thomas Partey, despite a lot of accusations being thrown around, he was, wow, literally next level. That was one of the best games I've seen Thomas Partey play. And yes, I know it's only pre-season and I'm not getting hyped and gassed and running away with myself and all of that. We'll see what happens on Friday when we play Crystal Palace. But that was an unbelievable performance. Gabriel Jesus, by the way. What a performance from him. Bukayo Saka, Gabriel Martinelli, Granit Xhaka. Everyone to a man was absolutely fantastic today. And even when the subs came on, Eddie Nketiah got a goal. Martinelli setting him up, cool as a cucumber, laid it on a plate he couldn't miss. I thought Martinelli was sick. I can't lie. If I had to pick a man of the match today, I would have gone between either, I know Jesus scored a hat-trick, but I would have gone, and by the way, that second goal, oh my days, we'll come to Jesus in a minute, oh my days, and his third goal. But if I was to pick a man of the match today, I'd go between Martinelli and Thomas Partey, and I'd probably just edge it towards Thomas Partey, but Martinelli's performance was sick. And there's been a lot of people that have been mugging him off in pre-season, saying that, oh, he's not good enough. We need to get somebody in that left wing position, blah, blah, blah. I think he kind of shut a lot of people up today, right? And yes, it is only pre-season, but let's just have it right. Sevilla are a very good football team. Yeah, they were like challenging for a title pretty much most of the way through the season. So they're a good team. Yeah, I think what's clear is that I think we're a lot further in our progression in pre-season than Sevilla. Their season starts a little bit after us, I think, 2 weeks after us. So you can kind of see the fitness levels weren't there. Lopetegui, he looked lost on the touchline, and the penalty was a penalty. I don't care what anyone says, it was a penalty. Saka didn't get fooled by the goalkeeper, giving him the Bruce Grobbelaar on the line. Great penalty. That set the tone. It was almost like watching Arsenal back in 02 or 03 or 04. Bish, bash, bosh, 4-0 up in 19 minutes, 18 minutes. Job done, boys. Just sit and put the cherry on the top now, 5 and 6. And it was very, very comfortable today. Will it be very, very comfortable against Crystal Palace on Friday? Well, that remains to be seen, because despite it being a great performance, it is only pre-season and it is only a friendly. And before any of you lot start getting giddy in the comments, going, oh, there's no such thing as a football friendly. You want to compete and you want to win. Well, it's a friendly when we lose to Brentford, but it's not when we beat Chelsea or Sevilla. So make your minds up. Make your minds up. I don't know. Let's go through the team, though, as a whole. Ramsdale didn't have a great deal to do. A couple of iffy goal kicks and clearances today. Nothing mad. But other than that, I thought he was superb. I thought he commanded his box well. Didn't really get challenged, really. Benjamin Scheidt at right back. Got spun once. Gave away the odd free kick. Gave away a sloppy ball in midfield. Other than that, I actually thought he had a really good game. Really good game. There was one where I thought he should have had a penalty. I actually thought it was Martinelli. And it turned out it was Ben White in the box. I was like, right, they didn't even show a replay of that, by the way. Big up Sevilla FC for showing that live on their YouTube channel. Big ups to them. But I thought he played well. Centre-backs, boy. Just rewind to my videos from a couple of seasons ago when we signed Gabriel, and I said we should have Saliba and Gabriel as centre-backs. Yeah, nothing gets past them by the looks of it. Two big, solid lumps that actually know how to kick ball, can defend properly, are in tandem with each other. Kind of made it look easy. I mean, let's be real, Sevilla didn't put up any threat really, but I think that was because of our pressing from the front. We're going to come to the forwards and the midfielders in a minute. Left back Zinchenko. I didn't know he was on the pitch. It was that comfortable. I can't lie. The only reason I knew he was on the pitch is he eventually got subbed. Other than that, I thought that was light work. He literally had a cigar on the whole game. And yeah, he might not have that against Palace, but we'll see. It's Sevilla. We're talking about Sevilla. And I thought it was for the whole back five, clean sheet, job done. Well done to all of them. Granit Xhaka nearly scored an unbelievable goal from a Thomas Partey scoop. It was almost like watching Van Persie receive the ball from Alex Son back in the day. But he didn't quite have the finish. But Granit Xhaka, I thought, played very, very well today. I thought that was a great performance from him. And Thomas Partey next to him, like I said, I thought he was man of the match. Superb. When he was breaking it up, he looked fresh, he looked fit, he looked lively, he looked sharp. He was going forward. The outside of the boot pass he played. Like some of the passes Thomas Partey was playing today were just insane. So long may that continue. Touch wood that guy stays fit or out of jail, one of the two, because we're going to need him this season. And if he is out for any sustained period of time, I think we're in a bit of trouble. Then we go to Martin Odegaard. Gibraltar, like I said, he's on the rock. He's having a well-deserved break as we speak. He was superb as well. Passing, movement, tracking back. He got stuck in today. And some of the little flicks, the little passes, he was up and down. And he did what I expect him to do week in, week out. The way people within our fan base put him up on a pedestal, he lived up to that pedestal today. So I can only give him credit for that. So clip all of this video. Yeah, I want all of you that hate me and don't like me and, oh, he's negative. Yeah, clip the whole video. Let's see if you've got the energy to share the whole video around, because it's kind of a positive video here. And you're so toxic and negative, Lee Gunner. Smash the likes up. Follow my Insta, Lee Gunner 82. So big up to Gibraltar. Let's go to Bukayo Saka. Got the penalty. I don't know what that guy was doing, but I feel like he was bullying him all game, like trying to push him over, kick him, couldn't get near him. Like he done a little step over and a drag back and he was gone. And like Saka was sick today, whether he was on the left, whether he was on the right, whether he was ghosting inside. I thought he was superb. And the only thing that was lacking was the fact that he didn't get his hat-trick. He had a couple of other chances where a little bit indecisive, where he was down the right wing. He tried to go down the outside and cut it back, and Odegaard missed. No one was there to tap it in. There was another one where he came inside and hit it, and it got blocked. But other than that, he was quality. And again, if he has any sustained period of injury this season, Nicola Pepe may not be here by the 1st of September. So it's almost like we're kind of relying on him and Thomas Partey right now, and Gabriel Jesus. But let's go to the opposite side. Gabriel Martinelli. The guy's class, isn't he? He just oozes class. The first touch, the dribbling. First thing he does, he gets the ball, his head's up, he's looking. Yeah, and then he's like, right, I'm direct. Yes, he's very frustrating sometimes in and around the box, which again he was today. But I like how direct the guy is. He makes things happen. He gets past a man. He brings other players out of position. You know, his final ball or his final decision-making could be a little bit better. But again, I believe that guy is our best player. And I think he's got the highest, as you guys call, ceiling, whatever that means, out of all of the players we have. I think he's destined to be a superstar. And the pass he made for Gabriel Jesus' goal, I mean, if Mesut Ozil makes that, you lot will be gnawing him off for months. Yeah, pants around the ankles, stuck to the bedsheets on Sunday and Monday. It's one of them, do you know what I'm saying? But because it's Martinelli and he's had a bit of stick through pre-season, nobody really gives it the hype. Martinelli is our best player. Yeah, and I'm going to stand by that for now. Let's go to the main man, the man of the moment, Jesus. What a hat-trick. Yeah, first goal in and around there, sniffing around, little fox in the box, Franny Jeffers. He's better than Franny Jeffers before you little muppets start crying in the comments. Second goal. I even said to my pal, I said, goal. As soon as Martinelli crossed out, I said goal before he even kicked it. What a finish. What a goal. Yeah, that guy, That guy is quality. We knew that when he was at City. We knew that before he went to City, maybe. But he is absolutely mustard. And that performance today showed it. The whole of his pre-season has shown it, to be fair. He's been brilliant in pretty much every game. Like, he scored in nearly every game, if not, well, he didn't play against Brentford, did he? But he scored in pretty much every game. Yeah, he is a top player. Whether he's enough to elevate us up to top 4, I'm not quite convinced yet. I think he's quality. But if he does get injured, then what? Or if Saka gets injured, injuries happen. They happen for every team. So we've got to touch wood that this whole team stays fit, and we might actually go and do something this season. But then you've got to look at the manager. You know, the manager's throwing on 4 players in stoppage time, 5 players in stoppage time. And these are the same 5 players that when we lost to Brentford the other day, oh, well, it's our B team. Yeah, but the B team are the only backups we have. So we got to really, really hope and pray that this first 11 stay fit. And they might just do something. But for once, Lee Gunner is happy. So clip it, do whatever you want with it, share it wherever you want. Let's see if you lot that don't like what I say got the same energy about sharing my clips when I'm happy. 6-0 to the Arsenal. Bish bash bosh. It was like watching old Arsenal. It was a joy to watch them today. And long may it continue, because that is all I want. If this manager ends up putting humble pie in my chops, then I'll fully eat it. Yeah, I'll swallow it and I'll say, cheers, Mikel. If he don't, then I'm coming for all you lot. Anyway, on that bombshell, let me know your thoughts on the game. Leave it all down below in the comments section. Big up to everybody who's watched. Lee Gunner 82 on Insta. Make sure you follow it. Push up to that 20k on Insta. Big up to everybody who's shared the clips around. Make sure you're sharing it around. Oh, he's being positive. How dare he? You can't toast success when you've been so negative. Listen, you little weirdos. I've been banging on about success for years. Let's see some this season, innit? And I'll be the first to sit there and say, well done, Mikel. But it's only pre-season. See how we fare against Palace on Friday, of which, of course, I'll be doing a watch-along for. So make sure you come and tune in. I'll be back on a full match day program, fan cams, player ratings, the lot on Friday. I've got a little Saint coming up for the Amazon documentary. Oh, dear, oh, dear. Oh, wow. PRFC is in full flow. But make sure you like the stream, the video. Make sure you share it around. Big up to everyone who's commenting. 2,000 likes would be fantastico. If you want to hit a donation, hit the thanks option. Delete the pencil top right. Write whatever you like. And I'll fully reply to them all. The largest one will get pinned, obviously, when that gets gazumped, and so on and so forth. So you all have a wonderful evening. I'm going out, and I'm out of here. Arteta fuera. Adios, amigos.